Hi, I'm going to show you a simple but put together makeup look. I'm going to go in with sandstone or shadow scents in sandstone pearl on my eyelids just to cover up those blue veins. I'm going to go in with my fluffy brush and just dab that in and blend it. And I go all the way up to my brow bone. Then I'm going to go in and comb through my eyebrows. And I'm going to use our shadow scents again in rustic brown to fill in my brows. That gives you just a little pick-me-up type look when you gotta leave the house but don't want to put on all your makeup. We're just going to do eyes, brows, and some gloss. And you will see at the end what a difference that makes. So I'm going to get extremely close to the camera and just light hair strokes in using an angled brush. And I just dab my angled brush onto the end of my wand to get a little bit of color on there. And my son, realizing he snuck into my video. Ignore my baby blue kitchen cabinets. I had best lighting in my kitchen, so that's where I decided to film today. I do have a mirror right behind me, or behind the camera, so if you see me looking up, that's what I'm doing. And then brush through again just to make sure you got everything. Do any touch-ups that you need to do. And now onto our other eyebrow. As you can see, what a difference it already made just by doing that one eyebrow compared to the other one not being done. I never used to be a person who filled in my brows. I was always afraid of it, and now I don't go out without doing my brows. I feel naked, so don't be afraid. It's trial and error. It's actually very, very simple. Another simple trick to doing your brows is to go through with, you can use brown mascara and just use the wand itself and just run through your brows a little bit, or the black brown mascara, depending on your brow color. I switch back and forth between my black brown mascara and the rustic brown. So next I'm going to do some black eyeliner with our new SeneGence pencil, and it glides on like butter. I'm just going to pull my eye out just a little bit and just run just along my lash line there. And then I'm going going to take another angled brush and just go in and just kind of smudge that out, clean up the line. Then I'll go under and just smudge that whatever is left on the brush, smudge it under my lower lash line a little bit. And you'll see me do this a couple times, just making a few adjustments here and there. Some days are quicker than others. Just normally I can get it done in five minutes or less without distractions. And I don't have the most steady hand, so that's why I always go back in with my angled brush and just clean that line up. Again, going under the bottom lashes. I don't go all the way. I only go about midway on the bottom lashes. And if I feel I need just a little bit more under my bottom lashes, I'll take my angled brush and just run it across the tip of my eye pencil. And there, finally done with my eyeliner. Now I'm going to go in with our black Lash Sense mascara. This is the non-waterproof, and it is amazing. The growth that I've seen in my lashes just in the last 2 months of using it is tremendous. So I'm going to bring you in really close here so I can see what I'm doing. And just start at the very base and go up. And you can do as many layers as you want. I generally will do one layer and then go to the other eye, and then I'll go back to my other eye and do that second layer and just make sure I've got them all done and matching. And you can see I'm blinking through it, and a lot of times it's just to get my eyelashes to run through my mascara wand, and then I'll just gently rub it through on my bottom lashes. My bottom lashes are my thinnest, and I have very few of them, so it makes a big difference in your whole look. And see how I start at the bottom and I just kind of wiggle it up.
The whole time.
Okay, I'm done with my mascara. And last final step, just I had a little mascara there. I'm going to use our Lip Sense gloss in Sweet Pea. I love this gloss. It is probably my favorite gloss. A lot of times I won't wear a Lip Sense color. I'll just put on some gloss, and my go-to is Sweet Pea. Rub that together, and there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Have a great Sunday.